When it comes to workflow automation and AI integration, two platforms stand out: N8N and Flowise. Both let you connect tools and automate processes, but they approach it in different ways. N8N is a general automation powerhouse. Think of it as an open source alternative to Zapier. You can connect hundreds of apps, set up conditional logic, and even ignore cookies, and even write custom JavaScript within workflows. It's flexible, self-hostable, and built for teams who want total control, but that flexibility also means a steeper learning curve. Beginners might find the interface overwhelming at first, though advanced users love how much they can customize. Now let's move on to Flowise, which is laser focused on AI agents and LLM workflows. Instead of general automation, it's built for chaining vector databases, large language models, embeddings, and custom prompts. If you're experimenting with AI apps or building conversational agents, Flowise gives you a drag-and-drop canvas tailored exactly for that. It's simpler to get started, but less versatile if you need complex, non-AI automation. So which is better? Well, if your goal is business automation, moving data between CRMs, Slack, Google Sheets, or APIs, then N8N is the stronger choice. If your focus is AI-powered workflows like retrieval, augmented generation, or multi-step chatbot logic, Flowise feels a little bit more natural. In short, N8N is all around automation toolkit. Flowise is your AI workflow builder. They don't really replace each other. They complement each other. Many teams actually use both, with N8N handling the plumbing and Flowise handling the brains. So which one fits your stack right now? The automation powerhouse or the AI builder? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let me know if you want a deeper dive into either one. Catch you next time.